guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a get ready with me. We're doing full face today. I just miss like sitting down and just chilling with you guys and doing a get ready with me. I was on Instagram Live recently and I did this eye look and I fell in love with it. So I'm gonna do that look today actually, and yeah, it's actually, this was a request. I had a request on Instagram Live to do a rainy day type of look with like a gray lip. We'll see how that goes. Grab a drink, grab a snack. Let's do this. Grab your makeup, grab a friend. Let's get ready together. I have a roll of toilet paper sitting here because I'm out of facial tissue. You don't need to see that. You don't need to see that. So I'm actually not feeling so great today. So if I'm like just kind of out of it, don't mind me. But I wanted to get ready with me because it's like so gloomy outside. It's rainy, gloomy, and sometimes on those gloomy days you just have to get glam. You have to put on some makeup and just make yourself feel a little bit better. So that's what we're doing today. I'm using the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Porcelain. I love this foundation. You guys already know this. I need to purchase a backup because I use it all the time. Alright, I'm going to go in with some concealer. I'm going to mix these two together. By the way, I'll have all the products listed down below if I'm not like talking about these. Like every single product I'm not going to really talk about in depth. So I have a whole bunch of eyeshadow palettes that just came in the mail. So I cannot decide on how I want to do it, but lots of reviews will be coming. I've been really into indie companies right now, so I placed an order. Like you'll probably already see my review on the Strobe Cosmetics eyeshadow palette probably by now. If not, it will be coming. And I have, oh, the Belle Jordan eyeshadow palette and lip gloss set actually just came in the mail yesterday and I'm so excited. So I'm so excited to do a review on that. And let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see some like holiday videos, like holiday get ready with me. I really want to do like some grungy glam type tutorials and stuff, especially with the new eyeshadow palettes that I recently purchased. So I'm like so excited to do all the holiday festive makeup. I also thought about doing a Black Friday video. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. I'm kind of like putting together my wish list, things I want to stock up on, you know, what sales, what do I want to get, etc. So let me know if you guys would like to see a video on that. I've never done that before, so I'm not sure how exactly I would put that together. But let me know if you guys want something like that, like a shopping guide, or just sharing with you guys my like go-to online websites that I purchase from. I'm going to prime my eyes with this brand new product I just picked up from Meyer a while back. This is the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. I told you guys on Instagram Live. If you guys aren't following me, definitely follow me because I've been trying to get on Instagram Live on the weekends if I can, to be able to talk to you guys and hang out. I really like the color of this. I've been really struggling with finding a good eyeshadow primer that has a nice tone that somewhat matches my skin. I'm still testing this out, but so far I do like it. I like that it doesn't dry out my eyelids. Alright, I'm going to do my brows really quickly. We're just going to speed through this because I take way too long to do my brows. Alright, so for today's palette, we had to pull out my all-time favorite fall palette is Subculture. And if you don't have this one, the one from e.l.f. is really good as well. The e.l.f. Opposites Attract palette. I did a review on that, and there's actually some really great dupes in here. So let's start with the shade Edge, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. Really blow this out. This is going to be a very grungy, kind of like mustard yellow brown look. And I just fell in love with it. I wore it yesterday Went out to the cider mill with the hubby. It was so much fun. We went and had some apple cider and donuts, and it was just so much fun. Oh, and I also bought a candle, which is from like a local Michigan business. I love supporting, you know, whenever I can. It's really important to support your local businesses wherever you live. So here's what the candle looks like. It's 100% natural and it's soy. Oh my god, as soon as I smelled it, I knew I had to bring it home with me. It smells like candy corn. Look at that deliciousness. So I can't wait to burn this and have my whole place smell like a candy corn. I'm slowly using up all of my older candles, which are not soy based. I'm just trying to be a little bit more natural when it comes to candles, because when you burn those, they like release chemicals into the air and you breathe it, and it's really not good. I'm also going to put that same color edge on the lower lash line. I'm using the e.l.f. contour brush, and I'm just going to pull that down. Look at that. Oh god, these are so pigmented. So I'm just taking New Wave and I'm just going to darken up the crease, the outer V, and pulling that on the lower lash line. And we want this super smoky, grungy. It's so funny seeing all the different posts on like Instagram and Twitter where everyone's really excited for the holidays, like ready. I'm just not ready for the Christmas music, okay? Slow down, okay? Let's slow down with the Christmas music. Alright, so for the magic now, we're taking Fudge, which I've never used these colors in this way, I don't think, the way that I did it. Taking a little bit of Fudge, and we're just gonna darken out that outer corner. Look at that. Oh my god. When you layer this over top of New Wave, wow, some sort of like magic happens. So for the inner corner highlight, I was using my face highlighter, which was this one from Au Natural Cosmetics, which I really love in Moondust. I think I'm going to take Electric from the palette on the Real Techniques detailer brush, and we're going to highlight that inner corner with that green. Oh, that's really good. That is really good. I forgot how good Electric looks in the inner corner. If you guys want to see more looks with this palette, let me know, because seriously, I could just do looks forever. So for the lid, I'm going to take Dawn, which is a really nice brown nude color. So no shimmer on the lid. I did this matte color, and look at that. Oh god, so pigmented. I really like how this looked with just the matte on the lid. For the waterline, I'm going to take this brown liner from Essence, and it's the Gel Eye Pencil Waterproof in Cocoa Bean. This is literally empty, you guys. I have just a little bit left in this pencil. I really love these, but they were sadly discontinued, which sucks. Alright, we need to do a wing liner and some mascara and lashes, the usual, the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I need to open up a new bottle because this is almost gone. We're going good. We're doing good. So while the liner dries, let's go ahead and finish off the face. I'm going to reach for my Lunatic Cosmetic Labs contour palette. Taking the lightest bronze shade here, which is my favorite. We're just going to warm things up a little bit so I don't look like a corpse, because I'm looking hella pale right now. I definitely feel like, for me, I have a couple of bronzers and then that's it. I've tried so many from like the drugstore and stuff, and they always end up looking Oompa Loompa orange, and this one is honestly, I think, one of my all-time favorites, and you can actually purchase this in a single pan for $12, so it's still somewhat a drugstore price, actually, when you think about it. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of contour, and I like to mix these two cool, very gray taupe colors. I'm just going to contour along the jawline. And for blush, I've been really loving the Rose Champagne color from Wet n Wild. If you guys missed my top 5 fall blushes, don't forget to check that out. I had so much fun doing that video. because you guys know I've been really obsessed with blush lately. Just adds that nice neutral color to any look you're doing. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting palette. This is still available, and I'm going to use the shade, I always forget the shade name, Sweet Peony, which is this really icy pink. I actually haven't used this one on its own in a while, so let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, she is icy cold. I'm going to go ahead and set everything. I'd like to set my makeup with a setting spray before I put on mascara and lashes, because my lashes get really sticky and weird when I apply my setting spray. Can you guys relate to that? Okay, we're gonna put on some mascara, and I don't know what lashes I'm gonna go for. The 523s Broadway lashes, they look really nasty, but they're one of my favorite lashes. Another thing I want to keep doing, you guys, is Flashback Friday. Like, I really want to dive right back into that and like do like a few Fridays in a row. So how I've been doing it lately is I'll pick 3 palettes from my collection, and then I'll have you guys vote on like Instagram, maybe on YouTube community tab. That way you guys, you know, if you don't have Instagram and that, you can still vote on here. Like 1 vote per person. And I don't know, I really miss doing the Flashback Fridays. It's where I take an old eyeshadow palette and do a tutorial with it, just to, you know, kind of rotate the makeup and encourage you guys to use products that you already have, because I know sometimes it's overwhelming with all the new things coming out. I feel overwhelmed as well. Alright guys, I'm gonna go pop on these lashes really quickly, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do with the lips. I have a couple of options, so I will be right back. Alright, so lashes are on, hair is down. We are almost finished with this look. So the request was to do a gray lip, and I think that'll actually be a really nice contrast with like the yellows and the browns. I don't know. I like to wear funky lip colors, you guys know. So we have Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Lipstick in Sleepy Hollow. And then we've got the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Stone Fox. I think I'm gonna go with the Liquid Suede. I just like this one. It's a little bit darker than the one from Wet n Wild, and I also really like this formula. So let's go ahead and put Stone Fox on. I haven't worn this in a while. So here is my rainy day fall Gloomy Glam. I love how this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today and getting ready together. As always, I will have all of the products listed down below in the description box if you want to go ahead and shop what I'm wearing on my face. If you guys want to see more Get Ready With Me videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. I post every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday, 10 a.m. every single week. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Leave a comment down below and tell me what videos you guys want to see next, what kind of looks you want to see for the holidays. Let me know your requests, and I will film those videos. I will see you all next time, guys. Remember, smarter beauty. Better beauty. Bye.